Welcome back to Talking Talent with TaRita. Today I'm talking about emotional intelligence, abbreviated as EQ. I believe emotional intelligence is one of those power skills that really stretches you to leadership, that really helps people to accelerate not just in their work career, but also their personal careers and in life in general. So what exactly is emotional intelligence? That is your ability to understand how your emotions relate to other emotions, as well as understanding the emotions of other people. It's also being able to read a crowd, being able to read a room. And so you are aware of also your emotional triggers. So each of us bring in baggage to the job, to our personal lives, to our relationships. We all bring in that baggage. Before you get to work, you may get in an argument in traffic. You may have heard some bad news from family. Way before you even get into work, you may have had an argument with your kids or your significant other. And now I've got to go into work and you got to deal with your supervisor. That may be a challenge for you too, depending on what environment you are in, or your coworker. Having good emotional intelligence is being aware of the emotional baggage that you have that comes from all kind of stuff, from being a person, from being a human being, and how it impacts other people, as well as being able to read the emotions that they have and being able to have self-control, because you understand that there's some triggers here and maybe what is presented is not actually what is bothering me. I always tell my kids that anger is a secondary emotion. It's really not the first emotion. There's always something that's under the surface of that. So you want to be mindful when you think about accelerating your emotional intelligence in your organization is, what are your emotional triggers? What is the baggage that you bring? What is baggage that other people can bring? What are ways that you de-stress? What is your foundation so that when these things come up, when your button is triggered, that you can go back to this place to de-stress and to woosah and make sure that you are professional in your organization as a leader, and that you're also modeling healthy emotional intelligence. For more resources on this, we will put some information across the screen. Thank you and have a great day.